Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we will be making origami lollipop. To create this model, I'll be taking two different colors origami sheet, which is 15 cm by 15 cm square, and I'll be cutting into 4 pieces. Now let's make one module. Keeping the white side on the top, create the diagonal fold. Rotate the model and create a cone shape here by bringing this side to this side. Make a crease, open the flap and bring this tip to this point. Then make a crease. Then bring this tip to this point by aligning the sides. Lift one flap and fold it up. Open the pocket and tuck in the triangle like this. One module is done. Fold all the 8 modules in the same way. Now let's assemble the module. It will look like this in the back side. Take the second module and put little bit of glue on this triangle. Insert it like this. Align these 2 points. Take the alternate colors and put the glue only on the white triangle. Then repeat the process. After fixing the last module, bring up the first module. Put the glue on the white triangle and tuck it in the last module. Then the model will look like this in the front side. Take a paper and roll it to make a stick for the lollipop. You can fix it using the cellophane tape. Origami lollipop is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.